All right, everyone, welcome back to Talk Tickers.
Yeah.
Today, we're diving deep into Coupang's Q4 2024 earnings call.
Get ready.
Get ready for a wild ride, because this company is doing some seriously impressive things in the world of e-commerce.
It's amazing to see how they're blending a relentless focus on customer experience with a drive for efficiency and profitability.
We've got a lot to unpack here.
We do.
So let's jump right in.
Okay.
First things first, let's look at the top line numbers.
All right.
Coupang saw a 23% jump in revenue year over year.
Wow.
But here's where it gets even more interesting.
Okay.
Their gross profit, the money they actually keep after covering costs,
Right.
surged by a whopping 29%.
That's a fantastic sign.
It is.
It tells us that Coupang is becoming more efficient at what they do.
Right.
They're not just growing revenue.
Right.
They're also getting better at managing their costs and turning those sales into actual profit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's not just a one-time thing.
No.
They're demonstrating consistent improvement in profitability,
Right.
which is a key indicator of a healthy and sustainable business model.
Absolutely.
Now let's talk about the driving force behind this impressive growth.
Okay.
Coupang's obsession with customer loyalty.
Their customer retention is truly remarkable.
It is.
Every single group of Coupang customers,
Even
those who've been with them the longest,
Yeah.
are spending more each year.
Wow.
It's a powerful indicator they're doing something right.
It really speaks volumes about the strength of their value proposition.
It does.
They're not just attracting new customers.
Right.
They're keeping them engaged and coming back for more.
Yeah.
It's a clear sign that Coupang is delivering real value and building a strong foundation for long-term growth.
One key element of that value proposition is their focus on convenience.
Okay.
Coupang's Rocket Delivery is legendary.
Oh, yeah.
You've got same-day delivery,
Oh.
dawn delivery,
Yeah.
you name it.
It's pretty incredible.
They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in terms of speed and convenience.
And they're not just stopping there.
Yep.
They've also rolled out next-day installation for bigger items,
Mhm.
like appliances and tires.
I know, right?
Imagine that ordering new tires at night and having them installed before you even head to work.
Wow.
That's what I call a seamless customer experience.
It's all part of their strategy to create an ecosystem that keeps customers hooked. And let's not forget the technology that makes all this possible.
Okay.
Coupang's made significant investments in automation and artificial intelligence,
Right.
which are paying off in a big way.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
They've nearly doubled the automation in their
It's
warehouses,
amazing.
which streamlines operations and helps to keep costs down.
Right.
But the real game changer is their investment in AI.
I agree.
It's like having a superpowered brain working behind the scenes to optimize every aspect of their business.
It's helping them predict demand, optimize delivery routes,
Yeah.
and even personalize product recommendations. This gives them a massive edge over traditional retailers who are still playing catch-up in the tech game.
Okay, so Coupang is clearly killing it in their home market of South Korea.
They are.
But they're not content to stay put.
No.
They've got their sights set on global domination,
I like it.
and their expansion into Taiwan
Yeah.
is a prime example of that ambition.
Their Taiwan launch in 2022 has been a resounding success.
It has.
They're already seeing significant traction in the market,
That's awesome.
with revenue jumping 23% just this past quarter.
Wow.
And they're bringing their secret weapon,
Okay.
the WOW W membership program,
What's that?
to Taiwan as well.
So what is that?
It's basically a souped-up version of Amazon Prime,
Oh, it's
offering a whole suite of perks and benefits that keep customers coming back for more.
I see.
Coupang's not just exporting its products, they're
Huh?
exporting their entire customer-centric philosophy,
Wow.
and it's proving to be a winning formula.
That's great.
They're also applying that formula to Farfetch, the luxury fashion platform they acquired last year.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Farfetch was losing money, but Coupang swooped in,
Yeah.
streamlined operations,
Okay.
and prioritized the customer experience.
Little sense.
The result,
What happened?
Farfetch is now breaking even.
Wow.
It's a remarkable turnaround story.
It is.
And it speaks volumes about Coupang's ability to take on challenging businesses and transform them into profitable ventures.
So they're not just a one-trick pony.
Nope.
They've got a proven track record of success.
Yeah.
And they're not afraid to tackle new and complex challenges.
I'm impressed.
Me too.
Yeah.
This is a company to watch.
For sure. It really underscores their operational expertise and their ability to replicate their success across different markets and business models. Now let's dig a little deeper into their Q4 financials and break down some of these impressive numbers. Coupang reported revenue growth of 21% year over year.
Okay.
That's already a solid figure.
Yeah.
But to get a clearer picture of their true growth, we need to consider the impact of currency fluctuations.
Right, because the Korean won has been weakening against the US dollar.
Exactly.
So we need to look at their performance on a constant currency basis to get a more accurate picture. And when we do that, their growth jumps to a staggering 28%.
Exactly. That's a much better reflection of their underlying growth.
Wow.
And it's particularly impressive when you consider the context of a global economic slowdown.
Right.
Coupang is bucking the trend and delivering phenomenal results in a challenging environment.
Now, one area where they're seeing truly explosive growth is in their developing offerings segment, which includes things like food delivery and their Taiwan expansion.
Right.
This segment grew by a mind-blowing 300% year over year.
Now, some of that growth is driven by their acquisition of Farfetch.
Okay.
But even when we exclude Farfetch from the equation,
Right.
the segment still experienced remarkable growth of 124%.
Wow.
It's a testament to the power of their model and their ability to adapt and thrive in new markets and new verticals.
It's incredible to see how quickly they've been able to scale up their operations and capture market share in these new areas. Speaking of Farfetch, let's talk more about that remarkable turnaround story. Coupang acquired the company when it was losing hundreds of millions of dollars annually.
And in just a year, they've managed to bring Farfetch to a break-even run rate.
That's impressive.
That's a tremendous achievement, and it highlights their operational prowess and their focus on efficiency. They achieved this by streamlining operations, leveraging their existing infrastructure and technology.
Makes sense.
And of course, prioritizing the customer experience.
It's a clear demonstration that Coupang isn't just a one-hit wonder in the South Korean market.
Right.
They have the skills and the strategy to succeed on a global scale.
Yeah.
And they're not afraid to take on ambitious challenges.
Absolutely. Now, it's important to acknowledge that all this growth and innovation comes at a cost.
Okay.
Coupang's been investing heavily in technology infrastructure and talent to support their rapid expansion.
Right, and that's reflected in their rising operating expenses.
Yeah.
But it's crucial to remember that these are strategic investments for the future.
Absolutely.
They're laying the groundwork for scalability, efficiency, and even greater profitability down the road.
They're playing the long game here.
They are.
And it's a smart strategy. They're not sacrificing long-term value for short-term gains. They're building a sustainable business that's poised for continued success.
So to sum it up, Coupang's Q4 earnings were a clear sign that they're on the right track.
Yeah.
They're growing rapidly, expanding into new markets, and building a sustainable model for success.
Yeah.
They're a company that's firing on all cylinders.
They're a force to be reckoned with in the world of e-commerce, and their future looks incredibly bright. Now, before we wrap up, it wouldn't be a Talk Tickers episode without our signature "This is not financial advice" segment.
Oh, right.
Where we unleash our inner wild speculators and pitch an outrageous but plausible trade idea.
That's right. It's time to let our imaginations run wild and explore some unconventional investing scenarios. And remember, this is purely for entertainment purposes.
Yes.
We're just having a little fun here, folks.
Okay, so here's a thought.
Okay.
What if Coupang took a page from Tesla's playbook and started selling Coupang-branded delivery robots directly to consumers?
Hold on. You're saying people could buy their own little Coupang robot?
Yes.
To deliver their groceries, packages, maybe even takeout?
Exactly.
That's wild.
It is.
But also kind of brilliant.
I know, right?
It plays into their image of innovation and convenience.
Right?
And it could be a huge hit with their loyal customer base.
Exactly. And think about the branding potential.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine these adorable little robots zipping around town with the Coupang logo.
Love it.
Delivering smiles along with packages. It's next-level marketing.
I love it. It's out there, but it's definitely plausible.
Yeah.
Coupang is a company that's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Right.
So who knows? Maybe this crazy idea could become a reality someday.
It's fun to imagine the possibilities, right?
Yeah.
It is. And it just goes to show that with Coupang, you can always expect the unexpected.
All right, folks. That's it for our deep dive into Coupang's Q4 earnings. We hope you enjoyed this roller coaster ride through the world of e-commerce innovation and disruptive business models. As always, we encourage you to do your own research. And remember, this is not financial advice.
No, it's not.
It's just us having a little fun and exploring the exciting world of investing.
Until next time, happy investing.
It's amazing to think about how far they've come in such a short time.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
let's zoom in on some of the key drivers behind Coupang's success.
Okay.
One thing that really stands out is their laser focus on building a loyal customer base.
Yeah.
And it's clearly paying off, as we can see from their impressive retention numbers.
Absolutely. Their customer retention is off the charts.
Yeah.
Each cohort of Coupang customers, even those who joined years ago, are spending more year after year. Yeah.
That's a testament to their ability to create a truly sticky ecosystem.
It really shows they're not just acquiring customers.
Right.
They're cultivating a community of loyal shoppers who see Coupang as their go-to destination for all their needs.
Yeah.
And that kind of loyalty is priceless in today's competitive landscape.
It speaks volumes about the strength of their overall value proposition.
It does.
The combination of selection, price, and convenience.
Yeah.
Coupang's not just offering products. They're offering an experience. And that's what keeps customers coming back for more.
And a huge part of that experience is their legendary rocket delivery network.
Oh, yeah.
They've set the bar incredibly high in terms of speed and convenience.
For sure.
Offering same-day delivery, dawn delivery, and even next-day installation for larger items. It's mind-blowing.
It's an operational marvel.
It is.
And it's all powered by their relentless focus on technology.
Right. They're constantly innovating and streamlining their processes to deliver a seamless customer experience from start to finish.
And speaking of technology, Coupang's investments in artificial intelligence are truly game-changing.
I agree.
They're using AI to optimize every aspect of their operation, from predicting demand to personalizing recommendations.
It's like having a super-powered brain working behind the scenes to anticipate customer needs and ensure a smooth and efficient experience.
It gives them a significant edge over traditional retailers who are still struggling to catch up in the tech race.
They are.
And despite their already strong performance, Coupang is showing no signs of slowing down.
Right.
They're continuing to invest heavily in growth initiatives, both in their core market of South Korea and in new territories like Taiwan.
And they're not just chasing top-line growth.
Right.
They're also focused on expanding their profit margins and building a sustainable business for the long haul.
They're aiming for that sweet spot of robust growth and healthy profitability. They are. And they're proving that it's possible to achieve both.
I think so.
Coupang is demonstrating that you don't have to choose between delighting customers and delivering strong financial results.
It's a powerful combination that's setting them apart in the crowded e-commerce landscape.
So to wrap things up, Coupang's Q4 earnings were a clear demonstration of their winning formula, customer centricity, operational excellence, and a relentless pursuit of innovation.
They're a company that's not afraid to think big.
They're not.
Invest boldly. And push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of e-commerce.
They're a true force to be reckoned with.
They are.
And we're excited to see what they accomplish in the years to come.
That's it for our deep dive into Coupang's earnings call.
Well, that was fun.
It was.
Hope you found this exploration insightful.
Yes.
And as always, we encourage you to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision.
Always a good idea.
And remember, this is not financial advice.
No.
We're just two investing enthusiasts sharing our perspectives and having a bit of fun along the way.
Thanks for joining us. Until next time, happy investing.